Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to edit chart title in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have data and here I already create the one chart and this is the chart title. Okay, so this chart title I'm going to edit it. To edit this chart title, simply click on the chart, then click on this three dot, then click on the edit charts option and here you can see the chart editor is open. Then click on the second tab, the customize, and here the click on the second option, chart and excise title. And here you can see the title text is amount versus financial year. So if you want to edit, just simply select use the backspace and you can enter your title. So I just enter here sales data. Okay. And that's it. Here you can see the chart title is change. You can change here the font also. So I select this font. See the changes over here on chart title. You can change the size also. So I select the size 20 and you can title format also bold, italic. Okay. You can use the alignment also. If you want center, you can set the center on title. Title text color so you can change. So I select this one and see here your title is showing this way. Okay, so this is the way you can edit the chart title. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.